Today, here at Kentucky Dream Homes, we have a real treat. We are going through one of the hottest homes on the market. We call this home the Tahoe Harbor by Deer Valley Home Builders. The Tahoe Harbor is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 2,310 square foot home. This home can be built as either a manufactured home or a modular home. To learn more information about the differences in factory-built housing, please see our YouTube video on this very topic. As we move around the exterior of this home, notice the beautiful built-in porch with the real wood-burning fireplace, as well as the built-in porch at the front door. Both of these exterior porches are built with a composite material that has a lifetime warranty. We have included the upgraded architectural shingles on the exterior of this roof. We also have included a nominal 712 roof pitch and an upgraded, thicker vinyl siding than your standard vinyl siding. From the very first day we put this home up on our website and our Facebook pages, it has been a huge hit. This home has generated more clicks, more likes, and more shares than any other home we have ever had. We think you are really going to enjoy this home. This home has the perfect combination of features, inside and out. The architecture on the front of this home has been upgraded with several beautiful dormers. These elegant dormers really do add a touch of class to the front of this beautiful home. As we continue on around to the left side of this very beautiful exterior, let's zoom in on the built-in porch with that beautiful built-in fireplace with all of that rock from all the way to the floor, all the way to the ceiling. This thing really is beautiful. The beautiful wood columns and metal railing also add a touch of class to this porch. As we continue on and walk up to the front door, notice our other porch. This porch has very similar features to the one on the side. We have the same beautiful wood columns and metal railing, as well as the composite decking material. Let's continue on inside and see what this beautiful home has to offer on the inside. As we come into the foyer, notice the painted wood ceiling beams and your luxury vinyl tile flooring, shown here in gray, but many color options are available. As we make our way into the living room, notice the electric fireplace with beautiful wood feature wall. There are fireplace options that range anywhere from electric, gas, or real wood burning. We have constructed this home with 2x6 exterior walls and spruce lumber construction rather than pine. Spruce is a harder wood than pine, and it not only performs better, but it is also a heavier wood than your standard pine lumber. This home has all number 1 or number 2 grade lumber in its construction. These combine to not only strengthen the structure of the home, but also help with the fit and finish of the home, keeping your walls, ceilings, and floors a little more square. This home is also equipped with Croft windows. Croft windows are much more energy efficient and last much longer than your standard windows. They are a gold-rated window with a low E coating for even more energy efficiency. We have also equipped this home with TechShield roof decking. TechShield is an upgraded roof decking that keeps your attic space cooler in the summer, cutting your cooling costs by around 30%. We have a demonstration in our lobby on just how this works. At Kentucky Dream Homes, we equip this home with an insulation package that is both beyond the Zone 3 Northern Insulation Package and Energy Star. With the insulation package we build into this home, the TechShield roof decking, and Croft windows, this home is incredibly energy efficient. These homes are among the most energy efficient homes built, including the site-built building market. All of our Deer Valley homes are now equipped with soft close, dovetail, easy to use, solid maple wood cabinets and drawers. We are proud to say that these cabinets and drawers are mother tested and approved. We are showing this home with all electric appliances, water heater, and furnace. This home can also be equipped with an energy efficient heat pump or a gas furnace depending on your needs. You can also choose a gas water heater, range, or dryer. You also have options for a gas, electric, or wood burning fireplace in this home. As we come into this amazing kitchen, notice these beautiful cabinets as well as this wonderful hand-laid tile backsplash. We have the sink built into the island, and there are several different sink options to choose from. We have the dishwasher built into this extra large island as well. As we swing around and take a look at the range, notice the beautiful range hood. This is also a spot where you can option in a pot filler faucet. You also have a wide variety of different appliance package options and color options available. If you are enjoying this video, please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great content about manufactured and modular homes and for more great home tours. Also, please let us know what you like about this home or what you would like to add to this home in the comments section below. We love hearing your feedback. And please, share this with a friend. If you have a friend that's looking to make a housing change, let them know what a manufactured home can do for them. Manufactured and modular homes have changed significantly in the last several years, and we are trying to get the word out at just how incredible these wonderful factory-built homes are. At Kentucky Dream Homes, we just love helping families get into quality, affordable homes that will last them a lifetime. At Kentucky Dream Homes, we are changing people's lives one home at a time, and that's something that we are very proud of here at Kentucky Dream Homes. Notice here in the living room the painted wood beams on the ceiling and the ceiling fan for added comfort. We also have optioned in heat and air vents in the ceiling. You also have options to put the vents in the floor as well. As we continue on into the master bedroom, notice the large size and the ceiling fan that we've added in this room for added comfort as well. We are showing this room with carpeting, but there are a lot of different flooring options you can choose from. You will also find this home comes with an upgraded trim package throughout the home as well. All of the colors inside and outside of the home are optional. You can select different siding, shutters, roofing, dormers, flooring, cabinets, countertops, tiles, backsplash, trim, paints, appliances, and a whole lot more. And just look at the incredible size of this extra large closet. We've also upgraded the closet shelving in here for your convenience. This is also the area where you can access your attic space as well, right here in the ceiling. This closet is so large and so flexible, there really is a lot of different things that you could do with this wonderful space. As we continue to move around this extra large closet, I really do have to say that the camera really does not do this extra large closet justice. This thing in real life is just absolutely massive. We have built this home with 9-foot ceilings, 16-inch on center floor joist, and 16-inch on center wall studs, along with a 50-gallon water heater. As we walk through this amazing master bathroom, that 50-gallon water heater may just come in handy. This master bathroom is equipped with dual sinks with their very own cabinet and countertop space, private commode area with its own door, very large soaker tub, and luxury vinyl tile flooring. This manufactured or modular home is not only energy efficient, but it is also very safe. Keeping your family safe is something that we here at Kentucky Dream Homes take very seriously. We install all of our homes to handle more straight line winds than your typical site-built home. For more information on manufactured homes and storms, please see our YouTube video on this very topic. There is some really good information in that video that shows just how tough manufactured homes are compared to site-built homes and other structures. We have a whole library of YouTube videos dedicated to facts about manufactured and modular homes on a wide range of different topics. We encourage you to view these and share with friends and family. There really is some great information in those videos. As we come around into this very large hand-laid tile shower, notice the dual shower heads with rain shower head and the fiberglass pan. The fiberglass pan is there not only for durability, but also for ease of cleaning. Notice the extra large decorative window here in the shower. This is an option and can be removed for added privacy. Our Deer Valley homes are very customizable. You can upgrade or downgrade a lot of different options to meet your budget. You can select from a variety of different siding, roofing, flooring, cabinet, countertop, walls, appliances, faucets, sinks, and more options to meet your budget. There are a number of different flooring options available as well, such as luxury vinyl tile, wood laminate, ceramic tile, hardwood, and many more options for flooring, such as carpeting, and others. There are also a number of different appliance packages available that could save you money, or if you are looking for something a little nicer, we can do that too. Our Deer Valley line of homes really are very customizable. With our line of Deer Valley homes, you can customize and select from a wide range of different exteriors. You can select different roof pitch, or you can add a variety of dormers or exterior columns, or you can choose from multiple siding options. There are also a lot of add-ons you can choose from beyond just the home itself. We can add a garage, a basement, deck, porch, and more to your new home project. At Kentucky Dream Homes, we also offer packages that can help you with the installation of your utilities or land grading and clearing. We offer dozer and site preparation options as well. We can do as much or as little as you need us to. We like to make it turnkey right here at Kentucky Dream Homes. If you are renting now and would like to invest in your own home and stop wasting all of that money on rent, or if you are living in an older home and would like to upgrade to something that will save you money every month on your utility bills and maintenance costs, take a look at what a manufactured home can do for you. Our manufactured and modular homes are not only very affordable, but they are also very high in quality, very energy efficient, and very low in maintenance costs. If you have high utility bills, buying a new energy efficient manufactured home might just cost you less money than staying in that older home and wasting all of that money on high utility bills and high maintenance costs. There are also several tax saving benefits to owning your new home that might also make it much more affordable for you to purchase a new home than stay in that older home. Due to the incredible value of manufactured and modular homes, there are now nationwide lenders financing almost any credit score, and financing options in many cases are much faster and much easier on a manufactured or modular home. You can now fill out an online credit application on our website. Please visit us online at KentuckyDreamHomes.com or come by one of our 3 locations and walk through some of our incredible manufactured and modular homes. We are also now displaying the new class of manufactured homes here at Kentucky Dream Homes. The new cross-mod homes are now on display. These crossover modern homes are really high quality homes and incredible values. This home you see in this video is actually in this new class of manufactured homes and qualifies for the cross-mod financing programs. For more information on these programs, see our YouTube video about the new Fannie Mae financing programs that are now available for this new class of manufactured homes. We are currently expanding rapidly, and we now service 5 states, including Kentucky, Tennessee, Indiana, Illinois, and Missouri, with more states coming soon. For more information, please call one of our 3 locations. Our location information and phone numbers can be found on our website at KentuckyDreamHomes.com. For pricing information, please call one of our 3 locations. At Kentucky Dream Homes, you are always guaranteed to get the lowest price on your new home. Our location information and our phone numbers can be found on our website at KentuckyDreamHomes.com. Prices do vary a little based on each customer's location, different freight, state regulations, taxes, some options, some different add-ons that we may include, utilities, your home site, and a few other factors. Also note that we do not quote home-only prices. We realize that some of our competitors do this in order to sound less expensive, but we believe that this is very poor practice. In other words, they do not include installation of your new home in their prices. At Kentucky Dream Homes, we want to give you the most accurate price that we can. This is why we ask that all of our customers call in for pricing. This way, we can give you the most accurate price possible. Also, keep in mind that the lowest quoted price does not always mean you are getting the lowest price. There can very well be a lot of things that are left out of your home quote, or there could be a lot of things that are cut out of your home project. At Kentucky Dream Homes, we believe in giving you the highest quality project that we can deliver, and we do not sacrifice quality for price. You will always get the highest quality project at the lowest possible price at Kentucky Dream Homes. At Kentucky Dream Homes, we are family owned and operated, and we have built our reputation by treating our customers like family. We would like to thank all of our customers and employees who have helped make us #1 in customer satisfaction for over a decade. We hope you've enjoyed this Deer Valley Briar Ritz home tour. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great content about manufactured and modular homes, and for more incredible home tours. Also, let us know what you think about this home and what you would like to add, a garage, a basement. Let us know in the comments section below. We really do love hearing your feedback. To see more great home tours, just click the link on the screen now. And let us help you find your dream home. At Kentucky Dream Homes, we guarantee the lowest price, we are family owned and operated, and we believe in treating all of our customers like family. Thank you for watching.